Lincoln's basketball game against LCM. We're at halftime right now.
And so far, the game has been going well. Lincoln is leading 35 and LCM 27. So we'll see you after the game with interviews.
Bye. Okay, you ready? Hi, I'm Elena Thomas here with Shockman Davis. We just won the LCM game, and I want to congratulate Shockman first of all.
Thank you.
And I want to ask you, how does it feel to have gone this far, and how do you think we're going to do along the way?
Man, I knew we was gonna win it. I mean, we lose, people always doubt us once you lose something, but we gonna win it all the way. I mean, we ain't gonna lose to no first time rivals. I mean, it's nothing but a rotation now. This ain't nothing. Ain't nothing but a thing.
So, being a senior, do you have any advice to give the younger players behind?
To play hard. You can't hide that bumblebee pride. That's it.
All right, thank you, Shaq.
You're welcome.
Hi, I have here with me Isaac Washington. How you doing, Isaac?
Fine. And you?
Congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
So how do you feel y'all pulled it through tonight?
We just played together, kept our composure, and came through.
That's good. How you think the outlook will be with the team during the playoffs?
I think we have some good chances to go. And if we just stay together, play hard, anything's possible.
Y'all have any idea who y'all play first in the playoffs?
Nah, somebody probably like Crosby.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck with it in the future, and thank you, Isaac.
Thank you.
Now we have with us Coach Boutte. How are you doing, Coach Boutte?
Fine, how you doing?
Congratulations on your win of district, and we want to ask you a few questions. So how do you feel the team is holding up right now?
Well, I think the team has done well. You know, we had a lot of adversity throughout the year. We had a few player changes, where we had to call up some younger guys to come up and do jobs that we're accustomed to having older players to do. But, I think the team stuck together and, down the stretch and just played hard. And as a result, the hard work that they put in throughout the year, they've, been rewarded with a district championship.
This work that they put in, you think they can hold it up through the playoffs?
Well, hopefully so. What we're going to have to do tomorrow is just, get everybody back down to earth and, try to find out who our opponent is, for our first playoff game and get ready to go from there.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, Coach Boutte, congratulations once again for the win. It was real good. I want to know, how do you feel that the fans are, what do you feel about the fans? Do you think they're doing all that they can, or they could do better, or what?
Well, that's something that I really, try not to get into. But, one thing I told the guys, you have to block out the fans because, they're exactly what you said, fans, and they really don't know what goes on at the practices. So they needed to throughout the year concentrate on what their coaches were saying and be concerned with their teammates, and let the fans let that situation take care of themselves.
Did you have a lot of injuries this year?
Well, we had a lot of injuries the past couple of weeks. We got a lot of guys banged up right now, and hopefully these next few days we'll be able to get some of them healed. But we took them. They got their treatment, and our great trainer Sean Klinger has done his best to get everybody well. So hopefully we can improve in that area.
All right, thanks, Coach Butte. Oh, Lord. Well, Elena, we won another game, and it's time to hit the road once again.
Yes, to playoffs. Hopefully we'll do fine.
We will. But we want to say to all of the fans out there to come out and support the Bees and just give them all you can, because they're giving all that they can.
And hopefully we'll go to state again.
We will. Go Bees!